I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemon kombucha. First, you will need a healthy SCOBY, some starter tea, black tea bags, and granulated sugar. Begin by brewing 4 cups of strong black tea, dissolving 1 cup of sugar completely. Let this sweet tea cool down to room temperature before carefully adding your SCOBY and 1 cup of starter tea. Cover your gallon jar with a breathable cloth and secure it, then let it ferment for about 7 to 10 days. Once your first fermentation is complete, gently remove the SCOBY and set aside about 2 cups of the fermented tea as starter for your next batch. Now, it's time to add the delicious lemon flavor. Incorporate 1/2 cup of fresh lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of lemon zest into your kombucha. Carefully pour this mixture into clean, airtight bottles, leaving about 1 to 2 inches of headspace. Let these bottles sit at room temperature for an additional 2 to 5 days for the second fermentation. To achieve that perfect fizz, gently burp your bottles daily by briefly opening and closing the caps. This releases excess carbon dioxide and prevents overcarbonation. Once your kombucha reaches your preferred level of fizziness, transfer the bottles to the refrigerator. The cold temperature will significantly slow down the fermentation process, preserving its delightful lemon flavor and carbonation. Your delicious homemade lemon kombucha is best enjoyed chilled within a few weeks. For consistently great lemon kombucha, always ensure all your brewing equipment is thoroughly sanitized to prevent any mold or unwanted bacteria. Using filtered water and high-quality organic ingredients will also significantly enhance the flavor and health benefits. Remember, fermentation times are flexible. Taste your kombucha regularly to find your ideal balance of sweetness and tartness. Don't be afraid to experiment with other additions, like a slice of ginger or a few mint leaves for unique twists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.